When it comes to legendary off-road SUVs, two names instantly come to mind: the Toyota Land Cruiser and the Toyota 4Runner. Both are built by Toyota, both have an incredible reputation for reliability, both are capable of conquering some of the toughest terrains on earth. But despite sharing Toyota DNA, these two SUVs are designed for very different buyers. One focuses on premium comfort while maintaining serious off-road capability. The other stays true to its rugged, adventure-first personality with a more affordable price tag. So if you're wondering which one deserves a place in your garage, stay till the end because today we're comparing the Toyota Land Cruiser and the Toyota 4Runner in every important category, from design, engine, off-road capability, interior, technology, practicality, fuel economy, pricing, and finally, who should buy which SUV. You're watching Auto Curious, and let's get started. At first glance, both SUVs look muscular and purposeful. The latest Toyota Land Cruiser adopts a retro-inspired design with rectangular LED headlights, a flat hood, squared wheel arches, and a bold front grille that pays tribute to previous Land Cruiser generations. It looks premium while still reminding everyone that it is built for serious adventures. The Toyota 4Runner, on the other hand, embraces a tougher and sportier personality. Its aggressive front fascia, larger grille, chunky bumpers, and high ground clearance give it an unmistakably rugged appearance. The newest generation has modernized the styling but still retains the classic 4Runner DNA. When parked side by side, the Land Cruiser appears more sophisticated and upscale, while the 4Runner looks more aggressive and adventure-ready. If you want luxury mixed with capability, the Land Cruiser wins. If you prefer a bold off-road image, the 4Runner stands out. One of the biggest similarities is that both SUVs are built on Toyota's TNGA-F body-on-frame platform. This platform is shared with vehicles like the Toyota Tacoma, Tundra, Lexus GX, and several other Toyota trucks. Body-on-frame construction provides superior durability for towing, rock crawling, and harsh off-road environments. Compared to traditional unibody SUVs, this construction handles rough terrain much better and offers excellent long-term durability. Toyota has also used high-strength steel and modern engineering to improve ride comfort without sacrificing toughness. Let's talk about what's under the hood. The latest Toyota Land Cruiser comes with Toyota's modern 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder iForce Max hybrid engine. This hybrid setup produces approximately 326 horsepower and an impressive 465 pound-feet of torque. Power is delivered through an 8-speed automatic transmission. Despite having only 4 cylinders, the electric motor delivers instant torque, making acceleration surprisingly strong. Now let's move to the Toyota 4Runner. Depending on the trim and market, the latest 4Runner also uses Toyota's turbocharged 2.4-liter engine. Higher trims receive the same iForce Max hybrid powertrain found in the Land Cruiser, while lower trims use the non-hybrid turbocharged version. This gives buyers more flexibility depending on their budget. In outright performance, the hybrid-equipped Land Cruiser feels smoother and more refined. The electric motor also improves throttle response, especially during low-speed crawling. Now comes the section both of these SUVs are famous for. Both feature Toyota's legendary 4-wheel drive systems. Both include low-range gearing. Both are equipped with locking differentials depending on the trim. Both feature multi-terrain select and crawl control. However, there are some important differences. The Land Cruiser is tuned to balance luxury with off-road performance. It features advanced suspension systems that improve ride quality on highways while remaining highly capable on trails. The 4Runner, however, stays closer to its off-road roots. TRD Off-Road and TRD Pro variants include specialized suspension, skid plates, all-terrain tires, electronic locking rear differentials, and additional off-road equipment. The 4Runner also benefits from excellent approach and departure angles. If your weekends involve serious trail riding, overlanding, or rock crawling, the 4Runner has a slight edge. If you need an SUV that performs equally well on highways and mountain trails, the Land Cruiser offers the better balance. Step inside the Land Cruiser and you'll immediately notice a more premium environment. The dashboard uses higher quality materials. You'll find larger digital displays, premium leather seating on higher trims, advanced ambient lighting, and better overall cabin insulation. The seating position is commanding, visibility is excellent, and long distance comfort is exceptional. The Toyota 4Runner offers a more rugged interior. Materials are durable and designed to withstand outdoor adventures. Controls are simple, practical, and easy to operate even while wearing gloves during off-road driving. Although comfortable, it doesn't quite match the luxury feel of the Land Cruiser. Families planning long highway trips will appreciate the Land Cruiser's quieter cabin and more refined ride. Toyota has significantly upgraded technology in both SUVs. Both offer Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, large touchscreen infotainment, wireless smartphone charging, USB-C charging ports, digital instrument cluster, Toyota Safety Sense driver assistance features, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking. However, the Land Cruiser receives more premium technology options, including upgraded audio systems, higher resolution displays, and additional convenience features. The 4Runner keeps things functional while still offering modern connectivity. Both SUVs comfortably seat 5 passengers, while selected variants may offer additional seating configurations depending on the market. The Land Cruiser provides slightly more premium rear seat comfort with better cushioning and additional luxury touches. Rear passengers also enjoy better cabin insulation during highway cruising. The 4Runner focuses on practicality and durability. Its seats are designed for active lifestyles where mud, camping equipment, and outdoor gear are common companions. If you enjoy road trips, camping, or family vacations, cargo space matters. The 4Runner offers a very practical cargo area with a wide opening and durable surfaces. Its boxy design allows large camping gear, bicycles, coolers, and luggage to fit easily. The Land Cruiser also provides generous cargo space but prioritizes passenger comfort and interior refinement. For hardcore outdoor enthusiasts, the 4Runner's simpler cargo layout can actually be more practical. Here's where the Land Cruiser really shines. Its suspension is tuned to absorb rough roads beautifully. The hybrid powertrain provides smooth acceleration. Cabin noise is minimal. Long highway journeys become effortless. The 4Runner delivers a more truck-like driving experience. You feel connected to the road, but the ride is firmer. Steering is slightly heavier, and body movement is more noticeable over uneven pavement. Some buyers actually prefer this rugged character because it reminds them they're driving a true off-road SUV. The hybrid Land Cruiser clearly holds an advantage in fuel efficiency. The combination of the turbocharged engine and electric motor helps reduce fuel consumption during city driving while maintaining strong performance. The hybrid versions of the 4Runner also improve efficiency compared to traditional gasoline engines, but non-hybrid trims consume more fuel. If fuel economy is a major priority, the Land Cruiser is generally the better choice. Toyota has spent decades building one of the strongest reputations in automotive reliability. The Land Cruiser is famous worldwide for surviving hundreds of thousands of miles in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Many examples continue running reliably even after decades of use. The 4Runner has an equally impressive reputation. Owners regularly report extremely high mileage with minimal mechanical issues when maintenance is performed properly. Both SUVs are among the most dependable vehicles available today. Choosing either one means you're buying into Toyota's legendary reliability. Both SUVs offer impressive towing capabilities for boats, trailers, and recreational equipment. The Land Cruiser benefits from its hybrid torque, making towing feel effortless. The 4Runner also performs exceptionally well, especially in properly equipped trims. For most buyers, both provide more than enough towing capability for everyday recreational use. Now let's discuss one of the biggest deciding factors. The Toyota 4Runner starts at a considerably lower price than the Land Cruiser. It offers excellent value for buyers who prioritize off-road capability without paying for premium luxury features. The Land Cruiser sits in a higher price bracket. You're paying for additional refinement, better materials, hybrid technology, and a more premium ownership experience. If budget is your primary concern, the 4Runner delivers outstanding capability for the money. If you want luxury without sacrificing off-road performance, the Land Cruiser justifies its premium pricing. Choose the Toyota Land Cruiser if you want. A premium family SUV, excellent long-distance comfort, hybrid efficiency, advanced technology, luxury combined with genuine off-road capability. Choose the Toyota 4Runner if you want. Maximum off-road performance, a lower purchase price, exceptional durability, a rugged lifestyle vehicle, an SUV built specifically for adventure. Neither SUV is objectively better, instead, they serve different buyers. The Land Cruiser is the refined explorer, the 4Runner is the dedicated adventurer. Toyota has once again created two outstanding SUVs that continue decades of legendary heritage. If your daily life includes commuting, family trips, and occasional off road adventures, the Land Cruiser is likely the better investment. But if your weekends revolve around trails, camping, mountain roads, and overlanding, the 4Runner remains one of the best off road SUVs money can buy. Whichever you choose, you're getting Toyota engineering, proven reliability, and a vehicle designed to last for many years. So, which one would you choose? The premium Toyota Land Cruiser or the rugged Toyota 4Runner? Let us know your choice in the comments below. If you enjoyed this comparison and want more detailed automotive reviews, off-road comparisons, and the latest car updates, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Auto Curious, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.